I love Disney's Art of Animation Resort. This resort's decor is adorable and it ensures you're in the Disney magic 24/7. Most of this resort contains family suites, which can sleep up to 6 people in a queen bed and 2 queen pull-down beds. Plus, they have 2 bathrooms and several more amenities. But don't worry, this resort also has standard rooms in the Little Mermaid section, which are perfect for those of you who don't want to spend as much money as you would on a family suite, and maybe you have a smaller family anyway. The Little Mermaid section is just as adorable as the rest of the resort. Today, I'm going to share with you a tour of this section, plus a room tour of these standard rooms. And thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you get notified when a new video comes out. The Little Mermaid section is technically the furthest section from the main hall, buses, and Skyliner station, but since Art of Animation is a value resort, it isn't extremely large, so walks to and from where you need to go aren't too bad. Sure, the Florida heat can get to you, but I've walked down to get a mobile order and refill my mug, and it wasn't that bad. There are 3 buildings in the section, which contain 864 standard rooms. Some of the rooms have 2 queen beds, and some rooms have 1 king bed. The majority have 2 queens, but request a king if you're interested. Each building in this section has 3 stories, but they contain elevators for easy accessibility. All of the rooms have their doors on the outside of the buildings, which is different from the family suite buildings. One thing that I appreciate about this section is that even though it's the furthest from the main areas, the Little Mermaid section contains a pool and laundry room. So you may be a little far from the main pool and splash pad, but there's a pool located extremely close to your room. You're welcome to swim in any other pool at this resort, but the proximity of the Flippin' Fins is excellent for a quick trip from your room. The laundry facilities are very easy to use and located right next to the pool. This is convenient if you need to do a load of laundry or 2 on your trip. Start the load and then go relax in your room or at the pool. Make sure you spend time walking around this section to look at all of the details. The path to the rooms is adorable with all of Ariel's treasures, including the statue of Prince Eric. If you're staying in Building 7, you'll be walking up to a giant Ursula every day. Building 9 has the giant King Triton, and Building 8 has Ariel and Flounder. Make sure you walk around to find Sebastian too, and check out all of the fish decor in front of the buildings to help you reminisce about the classic Under the Sea song. As you can see, the room tour today is a standard room with 2 queen beds. The Little Mermaid theming is everywhere in this room, from the fish and shell mirror to the 2 shell chairs at the table. And it's not just any table, it's got Under the Sea sheet music right there for your perusing. Heading over to the bathroom, you've got a sink and a nice mirror. Each room has a hairdryer, a small mirror that lights up and pulls out, plus an ironing board, iron, safe, and extra pillow and blanket. There's a door with a full-length mirror to separate the sink from the shower area. The shower has shampoo, conditioner, and body wash for you, and is decorated as Ariel's grotto. As you can see, the shower head is a wand, which may be helpful if you're washing little ones. Pull the shower curtain shut, and you've got Ariel herself hanging out in her grotto. In between the 2 queen beds, there is one nightstand that has a phone and Hey Disney for you. There's an under the sea curtain to separate the bathroom from the rest of the room if needed. The dresser under the TV has a coffee maker stocked with coffee, tea, and everything you need. The dresser has 3 small drawers if you want to unpack a little, and on the right side is actually a door that camouflages the fridge inside. And that's everything in the Little Mermaid room. Aren't they great? And that's it. That is the Little Mermaid section and the standard rooms at Art of Animation. I always say that this resort is true Disney. I hope this helps you if you're considering staying at this resort and want to know a little more about the standard rooms and this section. My family has stayed here a couple times and we absolutely love it. Thanks for watching Optimistically Disney, where we love all things Disney.